Hi there, this is Pandit Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi. In the midst of the wild, you can hear the twittering sound of the birds, and you can see so many beauties all around, vegetations, and you can see the nature dancing and manifesting its beauty all around. Everywhere you can find such kind of things. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. That is really the mission of this Fakir, Pandit Yogi Virendra Yogi. This beautiful environment inspires me to concentrate, to meditate, and to inspire mankind to be very useful, productive, creative, and help the people to be also having the similar attitude towards this beautiful planet Earth. Love being the main criteria of my living here. I love birds with animals and plants. As I'm a yogi, my philosophy is Atma Sarvhutesu. Let every creature be similar to you, have a feeling. Never hurt and harm anybody. Be good with all. Find good in all. Think well of all. That is my attitude towards every living creatures, birds, beasts, animal, plants and humans. This beautiful environment is really blessings for me on this planet Earth. I'm sure I'm the most privileged and lucky and fortunate to have such a beautiful campus where I spend my whole life. I'm without food. Of course I have a shelter, but I'm a fakir, but still I'm the happiest because of this nature. We are all the child of the universe. We are the children of the universe. And we have the right to be here, not only just living like cattle, but to really learn the lessons how we can transform the evil attitude of the grovial, bestial humans. Lessons of wisdom, lessons of service, lessons of usefulness, being productive and creative. Everywhere, this is the need of the hour. How to help, how to serve, how to really make this beautiful Earth planet the source of happiness and inspiration for everyone. Thank you, viewers. This is very remarkable thing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wonderful. Wonderful place. I love it and I like it and present to you for your inspiration.